In this video, we are continuing to work on our exterior design and also to create some more elements. The first, I want to design an wall elements for our project. So first, I need to go to my S1 level, and after that, I need to delete this A5 from structure. So then I need to go in this side. Yes, here is the right position. Let me check. So we need to go to the S2 because I want to have this edge. And after that, I'm just going to create one extrusion from model in place. We are going to create one extrusion wall like a box, and after that we are going to use void, so we can have like a designing element for our wall with the different types of material. So I'm just going to click wall 1, and after that I'm just going to draft extrusion in our plan, one of the plan, which we have this edge. So I'm just going to draft it from our column here and around, for example, 40 centimeter, and I will continue until here, the guideline, and then 40 centimeter more. Then I'm just going here and until our columns, we reach our columns. So first we need to have a sort of guiding line because we want to see where is our column. After that, it's very simple. We are just going to close our wall like this. And we are just going to click OK, and we are going to choose the material for that. For example, we can create a new material and we can rename it, for example, wall element. After that, we can go to asset material, choose one type of material. For example, we can use wood, we can use concrete, or as our wish we can use, for example, ceramic. I'm going to see what do I have in my wall category here, wall covering. Here we are going to have different type of wallpaper, and like for example wall stone. The one I'm looking for is some sort of title which is useful for outside. For example, this one is good, title, stone and ceramic. And after that I'm just going to click on apply, and we can check this one too. It's a small element, so the previous one was good. Also this one is good, so I'm just going to choose this one and click OK. Now we have the material for our element as well. So the next step is going to one of the elevation, one of the view, section. All of them can work because we need to drag our elements until we reached our floor or even above our floor, because it's going to be outside of that. And after that I'm gonna reach the floor here like here, and that's it. Just going to finish model. The next step is to go and change the size of our ramp, since we are not going to have ramp anymore in our wall element. So I'm just going to bring our ramp here, and that's it. We can go to the 3D and see the result. So we need to see how does it work or look like from the upside. So it looks fine so far because we drafted in a right position, but we need to have one void element because here we are going to have some extra edge. So it's easy. We are just going here and we are going to S5, select our rectangle or line, but we need to set a plane. I'm just going to choose S5, okay, and after that I'm going to create a rectangle from here to here, and then I'm gonna go click OK. We are going to have this void, which we can manage it from our elevation view, for example, and we need to have this right away, like until here, and then press cut, finish model. We will go check it out. Now it looks fine, everything. The next step is to select our model, edit in place. It's much more better to use the graphic pattern or color as well. So I'm just going to select my material, graphic, use render appearance, okay, and finish model. Here we go. The next step is to take our windows out, and we can just simply use void again. We just need to know where is our windows located, so we use wireframe, and after that I'm just going to create void element again by selecting our model, edit in place, create void extrusion, and we don't need to set the plane because we are in elevation. So I'm just gonna click a rectangle, press and choose our end line like this, and here I'm also going to use the align to use this line for here as well. Then everything looks okay. So we have this window as well here. I'm just going to use rectangle again, draft my rectangle, use align modifier to select the host and line, and so far that's it. We need to create it for this level as well. I'm just gonna create one here and select align. After that we will press OK. Then we will change our view, for example, to front, because we need to manage our void. I'm just gonna click out, click in again, and I will take it inside. Like this. And after that I will press cut, finish model. So it says some of them do not cut anything. We need to select it, go to the 3D view to check our project. So we created in a wrong direction. We are just going to select them, move the arrow, and here as well. I'm going to use wireframe, take it inside a little bit like this, and after that press cut, choose our element and our void, and finish model. We can go check it out in 3D view. We need to do it for the other side as well. So here we go. Actually we don't need to have the void here because we don't have a windows there. So I'm just going to edit extrusion, and after that choose this one, delete, and OK. The next step is to create it for this site as well. We are going to have one window here and one window here. I'm going to click back and choose my element. I'm going to the create void and set a plane. It's much more safer to set my plane. And after that, turning on the wireframe, start drafting my void here. and after that I'm coming here, then press align because we need to align our subject here as well, and then we can go to choose the rectangle again, and we will see we need to have 2 more window like this and like this. Then I'm going to use align tool, select my edge, align my lines. So once again, align, select edge, line, and click OK. We are coming to the front view, we see where is it, then we will come out. We need to go out again to choose our extrusion, take it out, and cut with our element. So we will go to the 3D view, turn on the shaded, and we are going to have our element here as well. 2 windows and 1 window here. So this is going to be one of our exterior element as well, and we change the size of the ramp